Welcome friends, in this video we shall learn why do we get COVID-19 and most other vaccine shots in the arm. But before we proceed ahead friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Vaccines are given in many ways. For example, subcutaneously, that is injected into the area just below the skin. Vaccines can be given orally, that is given through the mouth, for example rotavirus vaccine. Intradermally, that is injected into the layers of the skin. Intranasal route, that is vaccine is administered into the nose. Intramuscular route, this is the most popular and most useful route in which the vaccines are administered. But why is intramuscular route so important? Why are the vaccines generally administered into the muscle tissues? Let's find out. Muscle tissues have immune cells. Muscle tissues are excellent sites to administer vaccine because muscles contain immune cells called as dendritic cells. These immune cells recognize any foreign molecule called as antigen. They pick the antigens up and transport them to lymph vessels. Once in a lymph vessel, the immune cell along with the antigen floats to a lymph node. Lymph nodes are important components of our immune system. Lymph nodes have T cells and B cells, which are two different types of white blood cells. Lymph nodes also have cells which teach T cells and B cells to either become killer cells, which seek out and destroy infected cells, or become antibody secreting cells. Muscle tissues keep the action localized. Muscle tissues tend to keep the vaccine's side effects localized. For example, injecting a vaccine into say deltoid muscle may result in inflammation or soreness which is localized at the injection site only. Compare it with fat tissue, which can allow side effect reactions to quickly spread to other parts of the body as well. Longer training to the immune system. Muscle acts as a deposit, where vaccine is released out to rest of the body slowly. Therefore, rest of the human body encounters the unwanted antigens slowly in low quantities. This allows our immune system to train against the antigens for longer period. This longer training session is thought to result in maximum activation of our immune system. So a question may arise, why not inject vaccines directly into the blood? Blood has many cells, most of which are not related to the immune system. These non-immune cells clean up the vaccine and degrade it before it is able to reach a lymph node, where it is acted upon by the T cells and the B cells. Therefore, the vaccines are not administered into the blood. Most vaccines have two parts. First is the virus-specific antigen part. Second part is called as adjuvant. This substance is meant to create stronger immune response. If the vaccine is administered via an intravenous route, there is a greater chance of adjuvant leading to greater overall inflammation. So, does the location of the muscle matter in administering the vaccine? Why do we have vaccines shot given in the arm's muscle? Location of the muscle does matter. Muscle should be near a lymph node. Unlike blood in blood vessels, lymph in lymph vessels flows very slowly because there is no heart-like pump to push it. Therefore, it is always better to inject the vaccine into a muscle tissue which is near a lymph node, so that the vaccine reaches the lymph node at the earliest. Another factor is convenience. The anterolateral, that is the front aspect of the upper thigh, is located near multiple lymph nodes and has been shown to generate an effective immune response after vaccination. Similarly, the deltoid muscle, which is a thick triangular shoulder muscle, is located just above the lymph node in the armpit. However, deltoid muscle of the upper arm is a preferred site for injecting vaccines because it is convenient for individuals to roll up their sleeves rather than roll down their pants. It is also convenient for doctors to inject the vaccines into the arms of the individuals. Also, another factor is the muscle development in the body. Adults and children of age 3 or more generally receive vaccines in their upper arm in the deltoid muscle. On the other hand, younger children below the age of 3 tend to receive their vaccines in the thigh as their arm muscles are smaller and less developed. Each vaccine has a recommended administration route and site. This information is included in the manufacturer's package for each vaccine. Current COVID-19 vaccines are meant to be administered in the arm. Nasal vaccines are allowed in some countries such as US, where some people can get the flu vaccine as a mist sprayed into their nose.